Salesforce Certified Advanced Administrator Exam updated dumps are the best material for you to study and pass the test easily. 1. Select power users want the ability to make configuration changes to a specific custom object. What tool should the administrator assign to the power users to enable this? A. View setup and configuration. B. Delegated administration. C. Sharing rule. D. Modify all data. 2. When an opportunity with at least one opportunity product close wins, Universal Containers requires that an invoice record be created with invoice_line_item_C records for each product on the opportunity. How should an administrator implement this request? A. Use a custom button on the opportunity. B. Use an opportunity approval process. C. Use an opportunity that calls a flow. D. Use Einstein Next Best Actions. 3. CloudKicks has an app that should only be used in the VIP showroom. Which feature should an administrator use to permit access to the app? A. Permission set group. B. Single sign-on. C. Session-based permission set. D. Delegated administration. 4. A sales representative at AW Computing needs to give read-write access to an account and related records to a teammate #E. The sales representative is on vacation. How could the administrator enable the sales representative to give record access to a colleague? A. Add the manual sharing button the page layout. B. Enable public groups for sharing. C. Include the NAP on the opportunity team. D. Create an ownership-based sharing rule. 5. Which of the following data enrichment options is available to a system administrator through the Social Accounts, Contacts, and Leads feature? 1 point. A. Use Facebook to import educational background. B. Use the company's Salesforce Facebook account. C. Use LinkedIn to import educational background. D. Use Twitter to view recent tweets posted by a contact. 6. Universal Containers wants to implement a recruiting application using an application custom and a position custom object. Each position record may have many applications associated with it. What solution should the administrator recommend to ensure applications are retained even if the position is removed? A. Create a master detail field on position. B. Create a lookup field on applicant. C. Create a lookup field on position. D. Create a master detail field on applicant. 7. Which of the following options would be used to limit the number of records and assist with data consistency? 1 point. A. Picklist and dependent picklist fields. B. Custom lookup fields and lookup filters. C. Custom formula fields. D. Record types and page layouts. E. Workflow field updates. 8. A user accidentally created a duplicate opportunity and is unable to delete the duplicate record. What should an administrator do to troubleshoot this issue? A. Run a report of all opportunities to identify other possible duplicates. B. Check the user profile permissions on the opportunity object to see if they have permission to delete. C. Advise the user to mark the duplicate opportunity closed lost and keep it in the system. D. Change the user's profile to system administrator so they have full permissions to delete object records. 9. Universal containers would like to ensure that when an opportunity stage is closed, lost, the reason is captured in a custom reason lost field before the record can be saved. What is the recommended approach to meet this requirement? A. Create a trigger that requires reason lost to be populated once the opportunity stage is closed lost. B. Create a workflow rule that fires on the closed lost stage and populates the reason lost field. C. Create a page layout for closed lost opportunities and make reason lost a required field. D. Create a validation rule that requires reason lost to be populated once the opportunity stage is closed lost. 10. A user at CloudKix has informed the administrator that they are unable to log in to Salesforce via multi-factor authentication. Which two areas should the administrator review to understand potential root causes? Choose two answers. A. Identity verification history. B. Login history. C. Debug logs. D. Setup audit trail.